The South Florida Water Management District began work on the Everglades Agricultural Area Reservoir the day Governor Rick Scott signed Senate Bill 10 into law in May 2017. Since then, professional engineers, scientists, modelers, and water managers worked to develop alternative options that meet the letter of the law. The alternatives feature different configurations of reservoirs and man-made wetlands that clean and store water to help protect the St. Lucie and Caloosahatchee rivers and estuaries from damaging Lake Okeechobee discharges, while increasing restoration flows to the greater Everglades, consistent with the Comprehensive Everglades Restoration Plan, or CERP. Completing projects included in CERP and the Central Everglades Planning Project are critical to moving water south from the new reservoir. The C-111, Modified Waters, and 8.5 square mile projects need to be completed by federal restoration partners and in operation first because they are designed to open up the southern end of South Florida's water management system to allow water to move south. All 5 alternatives, including 2 deemed as cost-effective best buys, were presented to the public, the South Florida Water Management District Governing Board, and the Florida Legislature. Following South Florida Water Management District's presentation to the legislature in January, the agency received a clear mandate to further optimize the best buy options. The South Florida Water Management District Governing Board has unveiled a single plan that maximizes the benefits of the EAA reservoir best buys that were previously presented. Optimized Alternative C-240A, known as the tentatively selected plan, was introduced to the public at the South Florida Water Management District Public Governing Board meeting in Orlando on February 8. The plan borrows aspects of the previous 5 alternatives and combines them into a project that can hold 240,000 acre-feet of water in an above-ground reservoir. The reservoir itself spans 10,500 acres and would be 23 feet deep. When combined with related storage projects in Governor Scott's Restoration Strategies Plan, a significant total of 350,000 acre-feet of storage will be available south of Lake Okeechobee. The suite of Everglades water quality improvement projects in Governor Scott's plan will create more than 6,500 acres of new water cleaning wetlands and 116,000 acre-feet of additional water storage. Only when these critical projects are complete will the full benefits of the EAA reservoir be realized. The tentatively selected plan includes a 6,500-acre stormwater treatment area, which uses plants to clean nutrients such as phosphorus from the water. This new wetland system, in combination with other features, will ensure the new water delivered to the Everglades meets state water quality standards. The plan also provides an annual average of 300,000 more acre-feet of clean water south to the Everglades. C-240A contains an array of benefits, including a 63% reduction in the number of discharge events from Lake Okeechobee to the northern estuaries when used in conjunction with authorized projects, a 55% reduction in discharge volumes from Lake Okeechobee to the northern estuaries, working in concert with other authorized projects, improved salinity conditions in the St. Lucie and Caloosahatchee estuaries, increase of flows to an annual average of 370,000 acre-feet in the Central Everglades. These additional flows will be reserved for the natural systems by rule or reservation and also meet state water quality standards. The tentatively selected plan restores wildlife habitat, increases overland flow to Everglades National Park, and provides modest benefits to salinity conditions in areas of Florida Bay. The plan also improves conditions for Lake Okeechobee, including improving the amount of time the lake is at its optimal level for its ecology to thrive, decreasing the number of extremely low-level events in the lake. The next step is to complete an independent external peer review of the plan, along with related agency reviews. The South Florida Water Management District would then submit a report to its partners at the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers by the end of March. The South Florida Water Management District is committed to delivering the environmental benefits of this project and meeting the requirements of state law. For modeling information and more information on the previously held meetings, including agendas and presentations, Visit us at www.sfwmd.gov/EAA Reservoir.